Are you ready to cash in on your X Empire airdrop? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to withdraw your tokens straight to Bybit, but there's a catch. If you miss a crucial detail, you could lose it all. Stay tuned to avoid costly mistakes and get your X Empire safely into your wallet. To begin withdrawing your X Empire tokens, you'll need to navigate to the withdrawal section in the X Empire Telegram bot. Once you open the bot, you'll notice several exchange options listed. These may include popular exchanges such as OKX, Bybit, BitJ, and AB Exchange, along with an on-chain option for those who prefer to handle their tokens on-chain via wallets or decentralized exchanges. For the purpose of this guide, we will be focusing on Bybit, as it offers robust features like advanced trading tools, high liquidity, and support for X Empire tokens. It's critical to understand that you can only withdraw your X Empire tokens to one exchange. Once you make your selection, you cannot switch to another exchange without resetting the process. This limitation means you should carefully choose the platform where you feel most comfortable trading or selling your X Empire tokens. Here are a few points to consider before selecting Bybit or any other exchange. Liquidity. Does the exchange offer enough liquidity for smooth trading? Trading pairs. Are there pairs available to convert X Empire to your desired currency, such as USDT or BTC? Withdrawal fees. Check the fees associated with withdrawing or trading on the exchange you choose. User interface. Are you familiar with the platform, or do you prefer one that's more user-friendly? Once you've decided to proceed with Bybit, click on Bybit in the withdrawal options list. This action will take you to the next step where you'll input your Bybit account details for the withdrawal. Pro tip: if you're new to Bybit, you might want to familiarize yourself with its interface beforehand to ensure a smooth withdrawal process. After selecting Bybit as your exchange of choice, you will need to provide specific account details to ensure your X Empire tokens are sent to the right place. This includes your Bybit user ID, UID, your X deposit address, and the crucial memo tag. Let's walk through how to find each of these details. Open the Bybit app on your device. Tap on your profile photo at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal account details. Next to your name, you'll see your unique UID, user ID. There will be a small copy icon right beside it. Click the copy icon to automatically copy your UID to your clipboard. Return to the X Empire Telegram bot and paste your UID in the designated field under Bybit UID. Your UID is an essential identifier for linking your Bybit account, so ensure it is correct before moving on to the next step. Now that your UID is entered, the next step is to provide your X Empire deposit address in Bybit. This is the address where your X Empire tokens will be deposited. In the Bybit app, click on the deposit icon located in your wallet section. Select Deposit Crypto from the available options. In the search bar, type 10 Empire to find the token. Once X Empire appears, select it. You'll now need to choose the chain type. Since X Empire transactions on Telegram typically use Tron, go ahead and select Tron, TRX, as the network for the deposit. The system will display your X Empire deposit address. Click the copy icon to save it to your clipboard. Return to the X Empire bot and paste this deposit address in the appropriate field. The memo tag is a mandatory step that ensures your deposit is processed correctly. Without the correct memo tag, your withdrawal might not be successful. After selecting X Empire in the Bybit app, you will see both the deposit address and the memo tag. Copy the memo tag by clicking on the copy icon next to it. Head back to the X Empire bot and paste the memo tag in the appropriate field. To avoid issues with the bot refreshing or having to re-enter details, it's a good idea to copy your UID, deposit address, and memo tag into a note or document. This way, you have all the details ready in one place and can easily repaste them if needed. Once all your Bybit account details have been correctly entered into the X Empire bot, you're one step closer to withdrawing your tokens. Now that you've successfully entered your Bybit UID, deposit address, and memo tag into the X Empire bot, it's time to finalize the process. Here's how to confirm your withdrawal and what to expect once the transfer begins. After verifying that all the required fields are filled in correctly, double-check your information. Before proceeding, make sure your Bybit UID, deposit address, and memo tag are accurate. Any incorrect details can delay or cancel the transfer, so take a moment to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident the details are correct, click the Save or Confirm button, depending on the bot's interface, to finalize your withdrawal request. After confirming, the bot will notify you that your withdrawal request is being processed. At this point, your X-Empire tokens are on their way to your Bybit account. The transfer might take a few minutes or, depending on network traffic, a little longer. Here's what to expect during the transfer process. Processing time. Generally, withdrawals through Telegram-based systems like X-Empire can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Factors such as the blockchain network's congestion, in this case, typically Tron, and the bot's transaction queue can impact the time. Transaction confirmation. Once the tokens are transferred, you should receive a confirmation message from the X-Empire bot. The confirmation will usually include a transaction ID or hash, which you can use to track the transaction status on the blockchain. Once the X-Empire bot confirms the transaction, follow these steps to verify that your tokens have successfully arrived in your Bybit account. Log into the Bybit app and navigate to your wallet. In your wallet, select Assets to view your current holdings. Search for X-Empire in your list of assets. If the withdrawal has been completed, you'll see the tokens appear in your balance. If you don't see the tokens immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a bit of time for deposits to reflect in your account, especially during high traffic times. Once the X-Empire tokens are in your Bybit wallet, you have a few options for what to do next. Hold for future value. If you believe in the long-term potential of X-Empire, you might want to hold onto your tokens until the price increases. Sell on the exchange. If you're looking to cash out, you can trade your X-Empire tokens for another cryptocurrency or stablecoin on Bybit's exchange. Simply navigate to the spot market section, select X-Empire, and choose your preferred trading pair, e.g., USDT, BTC, etc. Trade or swap. You can also trade your X-Empire tokens for other cryptocurrencies, depending on what's available on Bybit. Confirming your withdrawal is a simple yet crucial step in the process of transferring your X-Empire tokens to Bybit. By ensuring all details, UID, deposit address, memo tag, are correct and carefully monitoring the progress, you'll be able to receive your tokens smoothly. Once they're in your Bybit account, you can decide whether to hold, sell, or trade based on your personal strategy. With this, your X-Empire journey continues, and you're all set to manage your new assets however you choose. When withdrawing your X-Empire tokens, timing is crucial. While you've successfully connected your Bybit account and initiated the withdrawal process, it's important to be aware of the following key dates to ensure everything goes smoothly. Staying on top of the important withdrawal dates ensures that you won't miss your chance to receive your X-Empire tokens. Make sure you've completed the withdrawal process by October 23rd, and be ready to see your tokens in your Bybit account starting October 24th. If you encounter any issues, be proactive in resolving them by preparing your account details ahead of time and verifying that you meet all the qualifications for the airdrop. With your tokens soon on their way, you'll be all set to take advantage of the trading opportunities that follow. That's all for today's guide on how to withdraw X-Empire tokens to your Bybit exchange. If you encounter any issues or if you successfully completed the process, drop a comment below. Let's discuss if you qualified and what your experience was like. Good luck, and see you in the next video.